Hi there, Chris Fox here. I'm into a slightly different project right now, and it happens to be that guy. So I thought, I was already in here taking stuff off it and getting it ready and stuff there, and thought, why don't I make a video? This engine is from Halton County Radial Railway, and it's out of their 1955 Plymouth. This is an NHS or an NHRS Cummins diesel. It's an iron lung, and it's a really cool engine. It's supercharged, so there's the supercharger on the side there. Really neat engine, hard to get parts, and we're going to try and do a top end on it just to make sure and verify. It does run. It smokes a lot, even when it's up to temperature. I want to make sure the rings aren't stuck. So I was given the okay to take it apart, have a look at it, see what we can get. I've already taken the front fan off, the fan over there, and yeah, so we're just sort of getting into it right now. It's about the biggest engine I've had in my shop. It's a good size. It's a 743 cubic inch. So it'll be a fun project. So like on the last videos, you saw me doing the torque converter that goes on this unit. So we'll see how it goes. As you can see, I'm not sure if it's an NHS or an NHRS because the plate is missing. Yeah, the other plates on it, but they're the firing order and the valve adjusting, the fuel injector adjusting, which is good, but that's all in the book anyway. I'd really love to know. I mean, it's an NH, so I mean, it's pretty straightforward. But the problem is that I don't have a serial number for it. So it does have, like I said, it's got the supercharger and it's got the oil cooler on it. And it does not have piston P pipes or piston oil cooling pipes, but I believe that's because it's a supercharged engine and not a turbocharged engine. So we're gonna take the water pump out. We're gonna send it for rebuild because I don't want to run, like, I mean, we do all of this work on it and then don't touch the water pump. That's kind of crazy. Have it sent, repacked, and then send it back. The PT fuel pump, it works, and it works well. I'll test it. I'm not planning on doing anything with it just because it is, I don't really want to get into it, but maybe we will. We'll have a check. I don't know. We'll see as we go along. Oil pump is good. Starter is new. So the company that had this originally in Quebec did great maintenance on it. Doesn't look like it, but it's actually good maintenance on it. All right, more in a bit.